Current Trends and Issues in Basketball by Villesa Christine Nicole C. SBAC2B. The Trends. The first trend, titled NBA Defending Champs Lakers Ousted by Suns in First Round of Playoffs. Los Angeles, the Phoenix Suns, fueled by 47 points by Devin Booker, beat the Los Angeles Lakers from 113 to 100 points on Thursday, June 3, to eliminate the reigning NBA champions in the first round of the playoffs. Superstar LeBron James scored 29 points to lead the Lakers, but they were unable to dig themselves out of a 29-point first half hole and lost the best of 7 Western Conference Series 4 games to 2. It is the first time that James has exited the playoffs in the first round, and it was a young, up-and-coming team that hasted his departure. The second-seeded Suns, who are making their first postseason appearance since 2010, leaned on the inside-outside combination of Booker and DeAndre Ayton throughout the series. Second trends, titled NBA Devin Booker leads Suns to blowout win, 3-2 lead over Lakers. Giannis Antetokounmpo managed his first NBA playoff triple-double on Saturday, May 29, and the Milwaukee Bucks defeated Miami 120 points to 103 points to sweep the Heat out of the postseason in the opening round. Greek star Antetokounmpo had 20 points, 12 rebounds, and 15 assists to spark the Bucks, who were led by 25 points from the center Brook Lopez and 22 more of the bench of Bryn Forbes. Trend 3, titled Basketball, Giannis delivers triple-double as NBA Bucks sweep Miami. Devin Booker recorded 30 points, 7 rebounds, and 5 assists to help the host Phoenix Suns steamroll the Los Angeles Lakers 115 points and 85 points on Tuesday night, June 1, and take a 3-2 lead in the National Basketball Association Western Conference First Round Series. Cameron Payne added 16 points off the bench, and Suns led by as many as 36 points while notching their second consecutive win in the 7-game series. LeBron James registered 24 points, 7 assists, and 5 rebounds for the Lakers, who played without Anthony Davis. Game 6 is Thursday night at Los Angeles. Paul had 9 points, 6 assists, and 4 rebounds in 23 minutes on a night in which Phoenix tallied 29 assists and committed just 4 turnovers. Los Angeles had 16 turnovers. Let's come with issues. The first issues in basketball Philippines, year 2018. Kiefer Ravena, who played for the national team against Japan in the 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup qualifier, was suspended from FIBA-related activities, including competition, after testing positive for methylhexanamine, dimethylbutylamine, and higenamine, substances prohibited by WADA. Ravena attributed the positive testing to him drinking Blackstone Labs Dust in lieu of his usual pre-workout drink C4 after he ran out of supplies of the latter drink. FIBA attributed the violation to Ravena's lack of anti-doping education. This led to the Philippine Olympic Committee and the Philippine Sports Commission in improving their anti-doping campaign, and Ravena himself to start spreading awareness on banned substance after drinking a beverage which he didn't know contains substances that are banned. The second basketball Philippine issue, year 2018 also, Philippines-Australia basketball brawl. The Philippines and Australia figured out in a brawl during a 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup qualifier at the Philippine Arena in Bocaue. This led to the suspension of both Filipino and Australian players and part of the Filipino coaching staff. Year 2080. Year 2020. The UST Growling Tigers, then led by Coach Aldin Ayo, held training session in Sorsogon, violating quarantine protocols imposed by the national government amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Allegation of such training session taking place surfaced after team captain CJ Cancino's departure from UST. The resulting controversy led to the resignation of several other UST players as well as Ayo himself. And last year, 2021, the game between ARQ Lapu-Lapu City Heroes and Siquijor Mystics in the Filipinas Bismin Super Cup was called off at halftime with the score line of 27 points and 13 points, with the Heroes leading. The official reason for the halt was due to a power interruption, but the Game and Amusement Board official on a site immediately conducted an investigation over the conduct of the game. PBA players and other noted figures in Philippine basketball condemned the lack of respect for the game. Title sponsor of Bounty Agro Ventures said they could withdraw their support if not sanctions for erring parties would not be made and alleged there was a game fixing involved. The Siquijor Mystic were expelled from the league and players and officials from ARQ Lapu-Lapu City Heroes were suspended. And that's all. Thank you.